Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about that pretest, specifically number 1. So let's take a look at the directions. The directions say that there are 3 linear systems below. We're going to solve each system using any method you prefer, but we have to use each method once. So one of these is going to be elimination, one is substitution, one is graphing. You theoretically could solve any of them with any way, but depending on how you see the system, they might be more well suited to a specific strategy. So what I mean by that, if I look at number 1, I'm thinking right away, I see that both of those equations are in slope-intercept form, right? They're both y equals mx plus b. So even if I did have to graph this by hand, which we're not doing in remote, but even if I did have to graph this by hand, that would be something that's fairly easy to graph by hand. And since we are in remote, we're going to use Desmos, and I can just type in y equals -4/3 x plus 2, and y equals 1/3 x, whoops, don't want that x in the denominator, that's a weird looking graph, minus 3. And the solution to the system is where they intersect, so the correct answer here is 3, -2, and I graphed it. Again, I chose graphing because I noticed that both equations were in slope-intercept form.